Hello, my friend. I hope everybody you are doing great. Today, I will explain about series lamp test circuit. It's so important for our daily life who are doing uh, electrical and electronics related work. So, today, I have drawn a circuit. This is our phase line and this is neutral line, and then here have a switch for on off. I do use this switch, and this is lamp. This is a filament lamp. It's not any energy saving lamp or LED lamp. We have to use here filament lamp or tangential lamp. So, and another have here face. So it's here a switch, and then again it's going to throw a filament lamp, and then its power is going here. This is phase line, and neutral will go direct without any cut. Now I will show you everything. I have taken 1.5 rm cable for this, and this is our phase line and this is our neutral. I have taken this cable, and I will use here twin plug for safety purpose. When I will use it, and then it will be easy to push onto socket. So I will connect first here. I will put inside now. This one has finished, and then this, you see, this is phase and this is neutral. Phase, neutral. I have finished this, and then it will go the switch. I will use it here for on and off. I will connect this one right now. I have cut this cable here. Now I will connect here. From another side, I will use this cable. This is short cable. This cable from here to will go to filament lamp. This one, and then from here to another cable will. This cable will go to the holder. One side I will connect now, and positive to go to the switch first side, and from second side it's going to the holder first side. I'm connecting. side connect finish. Now I am connecting another side. From this side, this cable will go end point. Connection almost has finished. Now we are seeing this cable phase line. It's going through the switch and also filament bulb, and neutral is going direct. It's going to directly. Phase and neutral. See guys, this one phase and that one neutral. We will set it perfectly. It will not be perfectly because this cable is so hard. I'm using this cable so hard. It's now you see phase and neutral, this twin plug socket we use plug, and then it's going on, and I'm fixing the bulb, filament bulb. You always should use filament bulb. You will not use any LED or energy saving bulb. You have to use always filament or tangential bulb. So now is okay. I will give power. I will put this flag to socket, then we will test. You should care before to give power, because it is alternating current. AC current, it's so dangerous for your life and for your circuit, for your everything. So we should care about it very mostly. We should care. And we are giving power. We will see what will be happen. Yes, it's working, guys. See, it's working. And switch, when we stopped, then it is not working. So that's why we are using this switch on or off. For that it's working. It's working, guys. It's not working when we stop this switch. It is working perfectly. And we should always use a series circuit when we will check any electronic circuit, because we don't know what is the condition right now in this circuit. It's short or open, we don't know. First of all, we have to use series circuit, and then it will be protect our circuit, and also protect our life, protect our fuse. Like this simple tool has saved my vents and my device countless times. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more practical electronics and electrical guides, and let me know in the comments, do you use a series lamp on your workbench? Stay safe and see you in the next video.